is my salt cap on the floor? Guys, there's wine on my ceiling.
Today I'm gonna dye my hair and you are all gonna watch. You're welcome.
Hey guys, so welcome to my come bake with me making brownies. Then I'm gonna dye my hair. Experiment time. Experiment time. Cocoa powder in a bowl with some orange and red and mix it together. And then I was like, dear Heavenly Father, make it ginger. Do you think it would work? That's all you have to do in dry. What do you have? I just say if I don't have butter at the HEB that I was at because they're closed. I got heavy whipping cream. This in
Have this beautiful bowl.
oven to like 300. Next up, you're gonna need a mixer. God, it's a mixer.
Oh.
You have better status. I don't really know how you make brownies, to be honest. No, I do. I'm lying. When my egg is stuck. I know you guys want to see it. I know you guys want to see my egg. Nice day. I'm a chef. I know you want some of this egg shot. Nobody needs to know how I make this, so skip
Up some espresso that I already had in my fridge.
It's okay. Nobody cares.
Update, I just tried it and it's disgusting. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited.
I literally just dyed my hair yesterday.
When I pull up to the evil
In my head, these colors will make a beautiful shade of red, and I'll be a beautiful redhead. I'm a mixologist. Our Arctic Fox Sunset Orange is a manic eyeshadows. A shade Tigers Eye. It was in the natural section.
Let me just open this real quick. Just give me a second, guys.
Give me a second to open this panic. Like panicking right now. I'm panicking my manic at the disco. I have a thing that might help me mix this. Let me take you with me into the kitchen. We go for a lovely little surprise. The trusted Amy spoon. The trusty Amy the Hedgehog spoon. I'm just gonna scoop a dollop of this. You know, this is kind of also like baking. No, it's not. I guess it's opening. Gosh dang it! Why do I have to open everything? We got the tried and true turnstile shirts. I'm gonna start applying dye, and oh my god! I'll show you the result.
Guys, I have fantastic news. Shoot, I actually stopped
The brownie is done. Brownie. It's brownie. I actually dropped it on the floor.
It's just like a cake. Yeah, oopsie.
I may need to add more brown. Okay, I'm just gonna slatter it on. Give me 1 minute. I would look terrible, Bob. After some very careful mixing and curling, I'm a beautiful shade of copper. I think the hairdresser, which is me, I did this myself. I'm a magician. It's not super orange, and it's still got like very nice black copper. Let's see what the back looks like. And the back looks, oh, I didn't curl it all the way. Oops. So, yeah, that's all. I think I should become a hairdresser. So yeah, bye.